Your mother man see you now, that make you.
Yo, madam! Madam bum! Yo, that is nice, man. Yo. Let me see my blood clot, man. Yo, madam.
Alright. The little piece of nice, don't? So, today, tonight, tomorrow, whenever, we're gonna highlight some people run from animals. See, first one here, this a lady I do her dance in the middle of the street, and I guess a Bruno or a Blackie run her down. Watch out.
You give me good love, that's you my need. So I'm for this you.
When the sun down and the lover come down, woman get a tap off for your phone. Remember you say me and your sugar plum plum. Remember you tell me just now give me down.
Hey, she fast and the dog fast. Everybody fast in this video. Talk it truth. Right now, she can go represent us in the next Olympic. I kid you not. And we can bring the dog to a dog Olympic. Or you ever turn on USA yet and you see dog them compete? Yeah, we can bring the dog to go this one. Alright, so our next one now. Our next animal around down this lady here. The lady run from cock. This young lady run from cock. Oh my god, lady. That's not how you do it. You're supposed to stand up and face the cock. No, sir. Alright then. The next video though, a grandfather, he drink too much rum and he hears one clean in here. Nothing will go on. Let's watch and see what happened to him.
It's done. Oh my God!
Boy, all the man tell us that the stand. Man never tell us if he stand up, grandfather, but I tell us if he just flip the stand while he move off. And guess what? And not even the stand kick him over. I just him, I guess he hard of hearing, I hit kick him off. Stay away from rum. Where next one? I don't know what the youth are saying about. I know say something.
Wow, the wickedest thing a man ever do to you.
I think me know the video. Yeah.
Talk to me.
Brother, ask her. What she say? Something about
what?
She
Yeah,
just
talk
like
to me.
Hold
The
on.
wickedest thing?
You know what? Let's
Hold on,
watch
you
it.
try to say the wickedest thing I'm right now?
Yeah.
Me like her. They say man are wicked, but woman are Delilah. Big up all of my subscribers, my female subscribers. I know Delilah, but most I know are Delilah. Big up all I man them. I'm not wicked, but some man are wicked. The young lady say, the wickedest thing man ever do to her is talking to her. Well, the wickedest thing woman ever do to me is talk to me. Alright then, this is a grandfather. What I going with him? Let's see what I go on.
Because I never vote in my life, I never vote for none.
Yeah.
People I vote for. Never put me in a rank, no PMP, no labor, none. But I'm going to tell you something real. If foreign people don't come in and do things for poor people, you think Prime Minister do nothing? I'm alright. I just bless me, because the earth is the land and the fullness thereof.
Amen.
Young bird just as Islam. I see it long time.
Yeah.
Bounty Killer say, born as a sufferer, grew up as a sufferer, survive as a sufferer, make it as a sufferer. Jano star, rough everywhere still, you know, tell a lie, man, a rough man. Remember, say we are rebuild Jamaica, you know, we are unite and rebuild Jamaica. Okay, I want to go on over here so now. So this time I know, hold on to the Mercedes-Benz GLE, or GLA, look like a GLA, one white one. I don't know if him a getting girl born and the woman find out, but the boss say, nah, let go. Me say, baby, me get girl everywhere me go. Let's watch it.
Daddy, your blood teeth, yo. Beg it back. Beg it back, my father. Beg it back. Don't leave Stacy. Stacy, stay. Yes, the dog I will up on the woman. Lord, clean. Yo. Stacy, don't go. Stacy, don't go. Stacy. They get a chance. Me get a chance.
Alright, my peeps. Make sure so no not give no spouse bun. And I can only hope that your spouse not giving you a bun. It was a pleasure bringing forth this video to you. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please, I'm asking kindly to just like the video. Most importantly, share the video on your Facebook, share it with your friends and family on text, WhatsApp, share it on Instagram. You know, just share a video for me because YouTube not promote it. And per usual, stay safe. God bless.